Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Science Online class. Hope that you are all getting well and all are safe at home and you are continuing your study properly. It is Shabrin Shupriti, lecturer, Department of Biology. Today, I will be discuss some important topics from chapter 9, part 3. Today's topics are: what is earthquake, what to do before an earthquake, during an earthquake and after an earthquake, importance of standard and improved environment, strategies for conservation of nature. Okay, let's start. Earthquake. When a vibration created inside the earth abruptly shakes the earth's surface, it is called earthquake. An earthquake persists from few seconds to about a minute and may recur repeatedly. Mild earthquakes in most of the time are not felt. Strong earthquake can easily be felt. Earthquake is a violent natural disaster which one completely destroy a country or a region within seconds. Even it can divert the course of rivers. There is a picture after an earthquake. Owing to earthquake, Brahmaputra, one of our main rivers, has changed its course. Experts believe that Bangladesh is in the greatest risk of earthquake. Japan and California are identified as earthquake-prone area. You must have heard about the disaster resulting from Haiti earthquake in 2010, Japan earthquake in 2011, and Nepal earthquake in 2015. How does earthquake form? Our Earth's crust is divided into some layers which are called tectonic plates. These plates are not static, they are dynamic. Energy accumulates when a moving plate puts stress on another plate. Suddenly, when the plate slides, the stored energy is released and earthquake is created. There is a map of Bangladesh. There we can see zone 1 high risk zone, that is red color, zone 2 moderate risk zone, that is light yellow color, and zone 3 low risk zone, that is white color. The magnitude of earthquake is measured in Richter scale. We can feel the earthquake which is more than magnitude 5.0 in Richter scale. The increase of 1.0 magnitude in Richter scale means the rise of intensity by 30 times. The larger an earthquake is, further it can be felt from. No major earthquake has occurred in Bangladesh. In 1884, a major earthquake of magnitude 7 occurred in Maniganj. In 1987, a major earthquake of magnitude 8.7 occurred in Shillong. There is a picture, there is a Richter scale. What are the remedies of earthquake? There is no way to escape from earthquake, but proper precautions can minimize the loss of life and property. The most important thing is building houses and other infrastructure following building code. Any massive earthquake may cause catastrophic damage. In 2010, magnitude 7 earthquake in Haiti killed 3 lakh people, but only 6 people died in magnitude 8.2 earthquake in Chile in 2014. It was because the earthquake-prone Chile had started to build earthquake-resistant buildings. Besides, in the event of an earthquake, quick relief supply and rescue operation combining government and other organizations must be ensured on emergency basis, and for that proper preparation must be taken. What to do before an earthquake? If possible, all houses should have fire extinguishing facilities. Along with this, first aid kit, torch light, dry food, and water should be arranged. Learning how to provide first aid. Learning how to turn off gas, electricity, and water supply in the house. Heavy things should not be kept on high shelves. Making up a plan of where to meet your family after an earthquake. There is a picture what we can do before an earthquake. What to do during an earthquake? During an earthquake, we should not get terrified or nervous. We should convince ourselves that people of the world live with earthquake from birth. If you are indoors, stay inside. Stand by the wall. Stay away from glass window. Never try to descend by using elevators. If you are outside, get away from electric poles or high buildings. Anything from above may fall on the head. If you live by the seashore, stay away from the sea. A tsunami may hit the coastal area. If you are trapped inside a damaged building, do not try to come out removing debris, rather wait for the rescue team. A major earthquake may be followed by aftershocks. Be prepared for that. There is picture what we can do during an earthquake. Step 1. When the shaking starts, keep calm and do not panic. Step 2. Drop down to the ground and shake cover under a study table or desk. Step 3. Keep away from glass furniture or windows that may break. Step 4. Keep away from tall furniture that may fall or ceiling fixture that may become loose. Hold on to something until the shaking has stopped. What to do after an earthquake? If anyone is critically injured, take that person to hospital. Check water, gas, and electric lines. If damaged, shut off the valves. Listen to the radio news. Do not use the phone to spoil the network unless it's an emergency. Stay out of damaged buildings. Do not walk barefooted so that your legs are not cut with broken glass, and so on. After an earthquake, what we can do? Evacuate as soon as the shaking stops. Take the fastest and safest way out. Expect aftershock. Be updated. Monitor the situation from the radio. Put out small fire using extinguisher. Check yourself and others for injuries. Importance of standard and improved environment. Air is polluted by various types of chemicals, toxic, metallic substances. They can cause different types of deadly diseases such as lung cancer, heart attack, etc. Those toxic chemicals could also be harmful to plants, soil, or other animal. Air and water, all the elements of the environment, are essential for our living. Therefore, if the quality environment is not maintained and improved, it will be a potential threat for all biodiversities and our existence will be abolished. Significance of conservation of nature. Conservation of nature is to protect the nature and natural resources. Our very important natural resources are water, air, soil, minerals, plants, animals, oil, coal, gas, etc. Due to lack of conservation, everything has been destroyed. Therefore, if we do not take appropriate measure, if we do not stop damaging plants, forest resource, if we do not stop polluting air, water, soil, etc., then like the moon, our nature and environment will no longer be habitable and therefore our existence will be at stake. Strategies for conservation of nature. Reduction in the use of resources. We can conserve our resources by avoiding excess or unnecessary use. For example, previously we used papers and pen for writing letter. Nowadays we can send email or text message for the same purpose mentioned above. Similarly, we can avoid the practice of having too many clothes. Less plants need to be cut and forest resources will be protected and our nature will be conserved. Reuse of resources if possible. Nowadays, a lot of paper is used in computer, printer or photocopy. If we are little careful, we can use other side of paper for various purposes. Polythene that is used for banner or billboard is of good quality. Collecting those we can make bags or use for other purposes. Every day we throw away many plastic bottles. Those can be easily recycled or reused. Recycling of used materials, old clothes or sari, instead of throwing away, was used to make katha. Waste paper can be recycled to produce toilet paper. Organic manure can be prepared from domestic rubbish. New plastic can be manufactured from old plastic. Protection of natural resources. You may know that groups of bad people of our society hunt deer, tiger, etc., or cut trees from Sundarbans, catching migratory birds and selling them in the market. Polluting seawater by establishing uncontrolled and unplanned ship breaking industry. To stop these activities is called conservation of nature. Okay. Uh, from today's lecture, your SW is solve the CQ 1 and 2 as mentioned at the end of the chapter 9. Okay. You must complete your SW and submit to your subject teacher. Okay. Goodbye.